Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of finance and economics. Today, we're going to talk about the best ways to make money online. With the rise of the internet, there are now more opportunities than ever to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive right in. Freelancing. One of the best ways to make money online is by freelancing. There are many freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com that connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there are many opportunities to freelance in today's market. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to make money online. By promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can earn a good income. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and there are also affiliate marketing networks like Amazon Associates and Commission Junction that connect affiliates with products to promote. Selling products online. Selling products online is also a highly profitable way to make money. By starting an e-commerce store or selling on online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, you can reach a wide audience and sell products around the world. This can be a great way to turn your passion into a profitable business. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another great way to make money online. With the rise of online education, there are many opportunities to teach students around the world. Whether you're a teacher, a tutor, or just have a skill to share, there are many platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, and Schooly that connect tutors with students, creating and selling courses. Finally, creating and selling online courses is another profitable way to make money online. By sharing your knowledge and expertise on a particular topic, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This can be a great way to earn passive income and share your expertise with others. Outro. And there you have it, the best ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to start a new career or earn some extra income, there are many opportunities to make money online. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of finance and economics.